So guys, before I let you watch this video, let me take you through the cross-examination session of the Labour Party lead counsel when he cross-examined the witness that was brought to court by Tinubu's counsels. Don't forget that this man is said to be the majority leader at the Senate. But listen to the cross-examination session. SAN Levy asked the witness, in your witness deposition, you stated that you will rely on international observers' reports, right? Yes. So have you seen the European report? Take a look at this document. That's the EU report, right? So it is written, sir. So at this moment, the presiding judge asked, what exhibit is that? And the lead counsel for the Labour Party answered, my lord, not yet rendered in this proceeding. I seek to tender it, my lord. The INEC counsel was up. We object to this document, my lord. And SAN Olanipekun is up, looking angry and speaking with a very loud voice. My lord, I expect Levy to tell us his tendering CTC of an exhibit already before this case in the court tagged exhibit RA8. One of the justices, Justice Bolaji, not in this case, Olanipekun. And Olanipekun replied, it is in this case. It has been tendered in this case. Justice Ada said, it is PDP's case. Olanipekun looking down, okay, we object to it, my lord. We object to it, my lord, the APC added. Justice Samani said, Levy, please give us the document. That is the EU report. Peter Obi's lawyer finally tendered it. Justice Samani now admitted the document as evidence before the court. What a smart move. SAN Levy said, please, my lord, can I respectfully request for the exhibit and use it for now to save time? Yes, replied the presiding judge. I just want to read page 60, paragraph 20 to you. It states that results were not readable and not posted on the IREV. My lord, let me now go to the ECOWAS one. RA27, read paragraph 17 for us, witness. The witness read it out loud, and it stated that a lot of people were killed, including Labour Party senatorial candidates, and there was noise in the courtroom. After reading the ECOWAS paragraph 17, the witness said, I do not agree with the report. I agree with the final statement, but I do not agree with the part of the report. So you don't agree? Replied the Labour Party lead counsel. Yes, I was there. And the things that happened are IPOB. Oh, IPOB is the electoral violence in all these places, including Kano. Yes, replied the witness. The whole courtroom started laughing. You do not have a license to practice in the US. It's done by states. The witness replied, do you have a license for Illinois? I have a license for New York. Okay, so the forfeiture of $460,000 in the account of the second respondent, the court stated the money represents the proceeds for narcotics. Is it true? Well, what is contained in the district court was a civil forfeiture and not a criminal case because of section 981, he said. And the Labour Party lead counsel asked again, I asked you a question. It was for narcotic trafficking? Yes, and the money was forfeited as civil. The witness replied, you have not rendered any license in the court that says you can study law in New York, have you? I did not, sir. American Bar Association is a voluntary association. Yes, it is, but you must be licensed in one of the states in the US. Have you accessed IREV? No, I have not. Blood. So you cannot tell us it was not blood. I can, said the witness. The whole court is laughing. The American court rely on money laundering law in their decision, right? It was 981 section and not 982, the witness said. Did you rely on the Constitution on money laundering? It's 982. Did you rely on it? They relied on it, he replied. Did you see letter that the IG of police gets from the US Embassy? Yes. Did you tender it? It was tendered. Did you tender it? It was tendered. SAN Levy was seen laughing. That's fine. Did the report state any response on money laundering allegations? It is general response. They did not see anything on Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Olanipekon cuts in. Let him answer, please. I am on my feet. You are taking my time, said the Labour Party lead counsel. Olanipekun said, your time is up already. I have no business with it. I am on my feet, replied the Labour Party lead counsel. And Justice Samani said, go on, Levy. The Labour Party lead counsel started again. Witness, does the US Embassy report you brought here show response on money laundering? No, it doesn't. Very good. So the report does not address any issue. Well, the money laundering is not a criminal case. Oh, that's not what I asked you, but thank you for the response. So guys, this is one of the exchanges that took place at the election tribunal yesterday.
The All Progressives Congress APC on Wednesday told the Presidential Election Petition Court that it would not participate in the whipping of dead horses, as it declined to open defense in the petition of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and its presidential candidate Abubakar Atiku, challenging the conduct and declaration in the February 25 presidential election. APC, through its lead counsel, Prince Lateef Olasunkanmi Fagbemi SAN, said that there was absolutely nothing to defend in the separate petitions of the Labour Party and the PDP. The senior lawyer decided not to open defense in Atiku's petition after cross-examining the Senate Majority Leader, Michael Opeyemi Bamidele, the star witness to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Fagbemi had subjected Senator Bamidele to rigorous questioning, during which the witness, who is a legal practitioner, admitted that Tinubu's election cannot be reversed on the strength of his forfeiture of $460,000 to the United States of America, USA, through a court order. While responding to Fagbemi's questions, the witness held that Tinubu was not prosecuted, indicted, or sentenced for any criminal charges by any American court, adding that civil forfeiture cannot take the place of criminal trial and conviction. The witness further stated that as far as the criminal indictment is concerned, Bola Ahmed Tinubu has a clean bill of health because he was never indicted and convicted by any American court. Responding to further questions, the Senate Majority Leader claimed to have known President Tinubu for more than 35 years as a bona fide Nigerian citizen by birth. However, after reviewing the evidence of the witness, and it was time for APC to open defense, Fagbemi said, having taken a sober reflection of the entire case, we have enough evidence and we are not calling any witness. We do not intend to whip dead horses. We announce the closure of the case of the third respondent. Earlier, the Senate Majority Leader had told the Presidential Election Petition Court that President Bola Tinubu does not need to score 25% of votes cast in FCT to be declared winner of the February 25 election. The witness, who was cross-examined by Tayo Jegede, SAN, counsel to Atiku and PDP, said although Abuja is the federal capital of Nigeria, it has no special status other than that. When asked if the committee reports on the location of FCT recommended a special status for FCT, the witness admitted that FCT is a symbol of unity and maintained that other state capitals such as Kano, Ibadan, Enugu and others are also centers of unity. He agreed with the petitioner's counsel that President Tinubu scored 19.4% in total votes cast in FCT. When told that Tinubu emerged as the first president to be declared without scoring 25% votes in FCT and not winning his home state, the witness said it did not matter. According to the witness, the judgment of the U.S. court on the forfeiture of $460,000 has Tinubu's name, but not as a criminal suspect, but as civil proceedings, insisting that it was civil forfeiture and not a criminal forfeiture. Under further cross-examination by counsel to APC, Prince Lateef Fagbemi SAN, the witness agreed that there cannot be a conviction without a charge, trial, indictment and conviction. The witness said by the judgment of the Federal High Court Abuja, in a suit filed by the Labour Party against INEC on the mode of collation of election results, held that INEC is at liberty to use any mode of collation it deems fit. After the testimony of President Tinubu's sole witness, Chief Wole Olanipekun SAN, announced the closure of Tinubu's defense, while Lateef Fagbemi SAN announced for APC. Meanwhile, the court has given the respondents 10 days to file their final written addresses, the petitioner 7 days to respond, and 5 days to reply on point of law. Parties will be communicated on the date to adopt the final written addresses. That's according to the presiding justice of the Presidential Election Petition Court, Justice Haruna Samani.
Peter Obi's lawyer finished this our senator that came to humiliate himself. He came to defend the undefendable. They all know that, the Labour Party is really holding them very tight, as in holding them to the ground very tight. They can't exonerate themselves because honestly, we are winning this case. Whether the judiciary likes it or not, the evidence is there. You can't tell the people that Tinubu forfeited this money, but it was a civil case. It was not a criminal case. Who is saying that drug-related cases is a federal case, and you just come to tell us that it's not a criminal case, it's a civil case? But we know he forfeited something. And for him to have forfeited something, it means something was wrong. So guys, we are looking forward to the judiciary doing the needful. This is part of what happened at the election tribunal yesterday. Let me allow you just listen to this video and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.